Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and switch accounts on the Uber app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, you want to go ahead and click on account on the bottom right hand corner. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on settings. So click on settings underneath family, then scroll down and then towards the bottom, you're going to see switch account. Click on switch account and then you should be able to toggle between different Uber. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch accounts on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.